Hello everyone, Jialan Package here. Today I would like to share with you a small little designed boxes. The reason why I would like to introduce you to these boxes is see the handle. This is the most highlight of the products. Normally we always worry about the handle because handle is always like a soul of the products. If the handle looks crumbly or creased, and then it won't make a very good bag. Now we use the handle. The handle is made of leather. Of course, it's a fake leather, it's vinyl, but the leather material is very nice. It stays in shape. As you can see, every single boxes that stays in shape, and then it comes with bows, and then we can print anything. It's a very simple boxes. It's really cheap. It's really cheap. So if you're interested, please contact us. We'll offer you the best price we can. See you. Thank you. Bye.